Hey, it's Dr. Trish Leigh. Let's talk about pain and how pain is processed in the brain. On the image that you see behind me, the areas that are orange indicate the primary areas for where pain is processed in the brain. Now, let's understand this though. Pain is actually processed throughout the brain, but these are the primary centers for pain processing. So on this image, you can see that pain is processed in the frontal lobe and in the area in the middle front. We also have a major area of pain processing across the sensory cortex, where sensations are processed, and in the back of the brain and in the lower area of the brain as well, up the spinal column. Okay, so if you suffer from chronic pain, what's happening? For example, in our office at Leigh Brain and Spine, my husband, Dr. Cosmos Leigh, specializes in helping people through spinal decompression for people who have herniated or bulging discs. And what that does is it creates a lot of intense chronic long-term pain in the neck or in the back areas. So what I want you to understand is the pain is actually coming from that area, wherever that disc is injured in the area around it, but pain is being processed in the brain also. So when we work with people comprehensively to get rid of their pain, the way that we approach it is we look at the area of the body that actually has some type of physiological or problem at that area. Then we look at the brain and we look at what areas are involved in how that pain is being processed. The brain map that someone might have if they're experiencing chronic pain would be these orange areas are very hyperactive typically. So they're running very fast, which creates a sensitivity, higher levels of sensitivity if someone is experiencing pain. If the brain is processing pain as it should using perfect speed, then you might feel a little pain, but nothing that is off the charts. When that area is hyper aroused, that pain is off the charts. Okay, so I hope this video helps you understand how pain can come from that area in your brain, but make sure you realize pain is being processed in your brain. Our brains are the supercomputers that run our body and our mind, so it is involved in everything. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and like below so that I can send you more tips so you can start understanding how your brain works so that you can control your brain before it controls you. Thanks.